late to give you up. I took a sip from my devil's cup. Slowly was taking over me. I'm too high, can't feel my face when I'm with you. But I love it, but I love it. I know she'll be the death of me. At least we'll both be numb. Lose your change into something real. Wide awake and I can see the perfect sky is torn. You're a little late, I'm already torn. Who you think you are? Running around leaving scars, collecting your jar of hearts and tearing love apart. You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul. I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch. I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when I'm like this, you're the one I trust. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, hold my hand, dancing in the dark with you between my arms. Barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see, just like I knew you would. I don't know what you do, but you do it well. I'm on this spell. You got me begging you for mercy. Why won't you release me? You got me begging you for mercy. Why won't you release me? I said release me, yeah. And I think
Thank you very much. It's been brilliant, Dave. We really enjoyed it.